Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is cocoa tea, which is a beautiful hot chocolate from St. Lucia made from freshly harvested and roasted cocoa beans. So our ingredients, we have some cocoa stick, some bay leaves, some nutmeg, some cloves, some allspice, and we have some coconut milk, some vanilla and some coconut sugar. To start with, we want to prepare the base. So I've got some water here. We're going to add it to the pan and bring that up to the boil. Then we want to add in our spices. Got the cinnamon here, the bay leaves, allspice and the cloves. So just bring that up to a boil, and whilst that's boiling away, we want to grate our cocoa stick, but just grate it on a fine grater so you've got all that you need here, and then just add that into the pan with all of the spices which is boiling. Give it a mix and bring it back up to the boil. I want to cover this and simmer it for about 15 minutes, and that just gives enough time for the cocoa to actually cook in the water. So once it's like this, we're going to strain it because there are bits in it and I prefer it without. We want to add it back into the pan. So next is the coconut sugar. Just drop that in. Then we want to add our coconut milk. Make sure you get a good quality one because that coconut milk tastes lovely. Give that a whisk. Make sure all the sugar's dissolved. And then we want to just grate in our nutmeg. Be quite generous with the nutmeg because it tastes really nice in it. And finally, the vanilla. Put that back onto the stove, bring it back up to the boil. Then we're going to add a bit of cornmeal, more of a thicker texture, and some water. Give that a mix, drop it into the cocoa tea. And then as soon as it's all dissolved and you see that the thickness and the consistency change, then it's done. And here we have it. So just gonna take this off the heat now and it's ready to serve. So of course you can drink this as it is, but the best way to serve these is with fried bakes. So here we have it with some fried bakes as well. And you can find my recipe for these above. And that is my recipe for cocoa tea. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Until the next time, peace and love.